So check this out, totally awesome. Just bought a 12-volt frying pan, hooked it to two 100-watt solar panels to see if it would cook. I just cooked a cheeseburger. That's a lot of grease. Socket and plug, clamps to the wires, out the door, right to there. Nothing else. No batteries, nothing. All you need is a good full sunny day. We cooked it on 9 amps. Here's a quick shot the next day. Having another burger. This time on the transformer. It's kind of cloudy outside. About 15 minutes. Totally done. Alright, perfect. That's the 15-minute mark. Let's eat. For the record, on the solar panels, it took about twice as long, about 30 minutes for the eggs and the burgers and stuff versus about 15. That's just because this thing's putting out the 12 to 13 amps for full power, and the panel was putting out about 9 amps. There's some water boiling. 16 ounces, 20 minutes. That's 4 large eggs and a quart of water. All being powered by 12 volts. And that's a 12 amp pan, so no more than 144 watts. Alright, that's 30 minutes. Totally done. Overdone if you don't like the hard yolks. That's a great little pan. I gotta tell you, it's awesome. Non-stick surface. Large cool touch handles and knobs, thick tempered glass, the stainless. It's got the vent. That's sweet. That's just as nice as some of the fancier pans I have for the regular stove. And again, this one's just 12 volt. So 2 100-watt solar panels, your car's SIG lighter, or just a 12 volt deep cycle battery. Honestly, I thought it was going to look like that. Look at the difference. It's huge. That's totally awesome.